How to play custom games against bots in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to go to the Play tab right here or Play page. Now, once you're there, just click on Change Mode right here, then go to Custom Game. Now, click on Create right here. Now, once you're there, you simply need to click on Add Bots right here, and you can just simply go to Autofill if you want to, or you could just simply add the bots on whatever team you want. So let's say I just want it here on my enemy. And you could also adjust the AI count or bot count if you want. So let's say I want normal bot right here. So click on confirm after that's done. And it will just basically add all of the bots right there. Now, if you want to autofill it, it will just basically fill up all of the empty spaces with bots, just like that. Now, once it's done, you could either click on this one to swap the location of the bots, or if you want to remove some bots, click on remove bots right here to remove every bot right there. And after that, you can just simply choose a map that you want. So I'm just going to add one more bot right here to the other team. Let's try one, confirm, and just pick a map that you want. You'd go quick match, competitive, or arcade. Let's say arcade. Click on confirm now. Just simply click on start, and you're good to go.